leave, go away from, go away from. Number 1, depart from permanently, depart from, go away from, go from, withdraw from, withdraw from, retire from, take oneself off from, take oneself off from, exit from, take one's leave of, pull out of, quit, be gone from, decamp from, disappear from, abandon, vacate, absent oneself from, evacuate, say one's farewells, say one's goodbyes, make off, clear out, make oneself scarce, make oneself scarce, check out, abscond from, abscond, abscond from, run away from, flee from, parenthesis, flee from, parenthesis, fly from, bolt from, escape from, parenthesis, push off, shove off, cut and run, do a bunk, B-U-N-K, do a bunk, do a disappearing act, split, scoot, clear off, take off, make tracks, up sticks, UP, up sticks, pack one's bags, fleet, sling one's hook, possessions, sling one's hook, set off, head, begin one's journey, set sail. Number 2, cease attending a school or college or working for an organization. Quit, give up, abandon, move from, resign from, retire from, bow out of, B-O-W, bow out of, step down from, withdraw from, get out of, pull out of, back out of, allowed to remain. Number 2, go away from a place without taking someone or something, leave behind, omit to take, forget, lose, mislay. Number 3, abandon a spouse or partner. Number 3, abandon, desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, discard, turn one's back on, cast aside, cast off, jilt, J-I-L-T, jilt, leave in the lurch, leave high and dry, throw over, leave stranded, brush off, dump, ditch, chuck, C-H-U-C-K, drop, walk out on, run out on, rat on, R-A-T, rat on, leave flat, give someone the push, give someone the elbow, give someone the big E, give someone the big E, capital. Bin off, B-I-N, bin off, forsake. Number 5, bequeath, will, endow. Number 5, bequeath, B-E-Q-U-E-A-T-H, bequeath, will, endow, hand down, transfer, convey, make over, devise, D-E-V-I-S-E, cause someone or something to be in a particular state or position. Number 1, let someone do or deal with something without offering help or assistance. Entrust, hand over, pass on, refer, delegate, assign, consign, allot, 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 give, commit. Number 2, cause to remain as a trace or record. Cause, produce, generate, give rise to, result in. Noun, live, noun form of live, umalis, pagalis. Time when one has permission to be absent from work or from duty in the armed forces. Break, time off. Furlough, Furlough, furlough. Sabbatical, annual leave of absence. A day off, a week off, a month off. Leisure time, respite, respite, respite. Breathing space, recess. Holiday, bank holiday, half term, vacation, halls, HOLS, vacay. Permission, synonyms, permission, consent, authorization, sanction, warrant, dispensation, concession, indulgence, approval, clearance, blessing, agreement, backing, assent, acceptance, confirmation, ratification, mandate, license, acquiescence, acquiescence, concurrence, liberty, freedom, the green light, the okay, capitals, the okay, the rubber stamp. Those are all permission. Number 2. Power thesaurus of leave. Tagalog, huminto, iwanan, umalis ka na, lumabas ka, sumuko, magbakante, paintulot, bawiin, magalis, tumakas, pumunta ka, bumitaw, talikuran, tumakas, simulan, bumaba, itapon, lumayas, lumayo, bakasyon, lumikas, magretiro, parusa, payagan, pagpayag, huminto, gumawa, petsa, ipamana, paintulot, pag-apruba, urong, 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 umurong, kalimutan, walang pasok, umalis, paalam, lumipat sa labas, magbitiw, wala na, tumakas, halika, malayo, pupunta, kalayaan, hati, umalis, deposito, panatilihin, talunin ito, umalis mula sa palayain, bunutin, pagbibitaw, bitawan mo, pagsuko, itulak, inabandon na, iwanan, mawala, pagalis, magbigay, umalis ka na, ipagkatiwala, Tagalog antonyms of live. Dumating, manatili, pumasok, pumawak, panatilihin, manatili, diskarte, makialam, manatili, displace, lumitaw, pagtanggi, pagdating, pag-iipit, magpatuloy, magparita, dumalo, sumali, mapanatili, maabot, suporta, maghintay, pumasok, pagdating, dalhin, gumalaw, magpatala para sa magpatala para sa bumalik ka, pag-uugali, sumulpot, tirahan, pagbabawal, magtagal, makamit, makakuha, tumira, sakupin, sumakay, lumipat sa, lumapit ka, lumahok sa, makarating sa, magkatotoo, English, power thesaurus, English form of live. Quit, abandon, exit, depart, go away, get out, go out, desert, give up, move, drop, vacate, permission, withdraw, take off, escape, go, relinquish, forsake, flee, FLEE. Start, get off, authorization, dump, get away, break, walk away, vacation, evacuate, decamp, retire, sanction, allow, consent, stop, make, holiday, date, bequeath, 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 permit, license, approval, walk out, jilt, retreat, forget, scram, give, time off, leave, give, time off, left, farewell, move out, resign, furlough, gone, run off, clearance, come, leave of absence, away, will, going, split, liberty, license, set off, deposit, keep, beat it, sabbatical, make off, go ahead, dash, dispensation, depart from, release, pull out, ditch, assent, ASSENT, walk, let go, surrender, park, pull up stakes, push off, abandoned, drop out, vamoose, retire from, leave behind, disappear, departure, part, provide, go off, and trust. Highlight, liberty. Definition, define liberty. A privilege conferred by a superior power. Permission granted, leave, as liberty given to a child. Definition, a privilege conferred by a superior power. Permission granted, leave, as liberty given to a child to play or to a witness to leave a court, and the like. Mutual, permission, authorization, license, vacation, sanction. Unique, familiarity, self-government, self-government, sovereignty, emancipation, opportunity,